Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance STL Take It. The song is Take It From Here. The artist is Justin Timberlake, and this is a special remix by DJ 8 Miles. The choreography is KRIS White and Jeremy Sims. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. This is the demo with the music. If you would like to check out the choreographer or my tutorial, please watch till the end. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Our website is up already. Our registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please go to our website to get all the detailed information about the event, registration, and to book your room. www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. And there you go, guys. That's STL Take It. Make sure you check out KRIS White Instructional, and also I'll post my instructional at the end. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day live dance weekend here in New Orleans. I look forward to seeing you July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Registration opens this year, June 1st, 2025. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.